Hello, everybody. If you're here on Facebook, share this post for me. I'd appreciate it. Help me get some more views on YouTube. If you have a YouTube login, subscribe to this channel, if you will. Appreciate it. Thing I want to get into is today's thunderstorm activity, and also an outlook for the 4th of July. What you have here is a high resolution model. This is showing it'll be quiet this morning. This is 7 a.m. But as on this model, but as we get into the day, you'll find out that the activity starts picking up this afternoon. So here's 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and you already start seeing a few cells starting to form. 1 o'clock. The heat of the day really has these storms starting to fire up. 2, 3, 4, 5 p.m., 6 p.m., 7 p.m., 8, and 9. Now, one thing about these systems that we're going to have for the next few days is that it's not an all-day rain event, and not everybody will get rain every day. It's just like yesterday. I didn't get any rain in my house, but some people in southern West Virginia got some pretty bad storms yesterday. Moving ahead, you see that as you go into your 4th of July morning, overnight hours, it starts to get really quiet. Right here is 7 a.m., July the 4th. I know a lot of people are setting up parades and stuff like that. So the first part of the morning for parades and stuff like that shouldn't be too bad. But as the day goes on, your afternoon and evening activities, your cookouts, your fireworks are probably going to be greatly affected tomorrow. A lot of people's got a 60 to 70% chance of thunderstorms on your 4th of July. Like I said, this is 7 a.m., 4th of July morning. 8, 9, 10, 11. There's noon on the 4th of July. You already see them starting to fire up. 1, 2, 3, 4 p.m. Now, one thing you'll notice they're no longer coming southeast, but they're going northeast as we get into the evening hours. So if you was going to watch this whole loop, starting with today, like I said, you see it starting out really quiet. Then as you get into the afternoon and evening, this is today again, you see it then getting quiet again tonight. And then in the morning, quiet. Then 4th of July, afternoon and evening, you see it firing up, and see how it's turning counterclockwise at that point. And let's look at the severe outlook. Now, this is today. Now, most of West Virginia and Virginia is in the marginal threat. Now, that's actually not as bad as what you think. The light green are general thunderstorms. What it means if you're in the darker green, you have just a little bit better chance of getting some high wind and out of this. Didn't see much of a threat for hail. I'm not saying it couldn't hail, but if you're in the darker green coming across east to west right there, the storms will actually be running west to east in that green area. There is a chance that some isolated systems could have some high wind gusts, knock tree power out, or anything like that. See, tomorrow, now this is a excessive rainfall outlook. Now, this doesn't mean it's going to flood or nothing like that. But if you're in that green area here on the coast, that's where your best chance of rain is, on the coast for your 4th of July. So you can see why a lot of people's plans could be interrupted when it comes to the cookouts, fireworks, etc. Last slide that I have here is, I don't know how many people are going down or maybe have already left to go down to the beach in the Carolinas. You could see here from Georgia on up through North Carolina, the red area. Now, depending on how long you stay there, this is a 7-day outlook. So for the next 7 days, that southeast coast down here along the beach, anywhere in that red would see up to 3 inches of rain. Again, same thing, doesn't mean it's raining all day, but it's going to be pretty rainy down on those beaches. Again, appreciate you for watching the video. If you're here on Facebook, like and share this so it can get out. And if you have a log on YouTube, appreciate it if you would like the video and subscribe to it. And I appreciate it, and y'all have a wonderful day and a good holiday.